back to the channel and congratulations everyone. This is the last of the heats. This is heat 21. Wow, what an epic journey, and we're only halfway through this tournament. NZ, what are your thoughts heading into heat 21?
Good evening there, Hot Car Track builders, drivers and viewers, ladies and gentlemen. These heats are certainly flown by, and after tonight we're into the semis. 42 vans going to be vying for that #1 spot in Vantastic.
On the inside lane is the builder Variant Skunk Works, the driver's Variant Skunk Works, and this is Outback Cadillac, the 55 Chevy.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome Driftway Drive. Didn't quite make it to the time trials, but they're here now. And this is Orange Man, and he's driving Linked.
Up the back on the inside is Driftway Drive, the builder. This one's weighing 70 grams. The driver's Garage Boys, and this is the Medic Van, a Hot Wheels.
Okay, this is Driftway Drive's third entry tonight, so he's guaranteed a spot in the semis. And this behemoth of a truck, of a van truck. You know what? It's borderline. Who cares? We don't discriminate when it comes to racing, and especially with a driver named Grunt, I'd be staying right out of his way.
Well, a van can come in many different shapes and sizes, I guess, NZ. So yeah, let it run as a van and see how it goes.
Well, Variant Skunkworks certainly will need to pull out all his skills for tonight. It's 3 against 1. Good odds. Let's go racing and see how he does.
Sweet talking daughter, Lord, she loves to jelly roll. Yes, she do. Got a gal in old St. Louis, one in San Antonio. Come and get it while you can, for tomorrow I'll be gone. And my good gal sitting alone, she hollered her back, Daddy, Daddy, will you come home? Won't you come on home? Them the gals in Mississippi get along when they talk. Hell, they can recommend just like a cannonball. But hell, I love to watch them fall. Oh, the Mississippi woman, Lord, if they don't beat all. Oh, now, yes they do. Well, I've been looking out my window as far as I can see. I'm looking for the rounders and they're looking out for me. Oh, but why won't they let me be? I'm a high-stepper papa way down Tennessee.
Hearts being darker than a devil's soul. I ain't someone you bring to mama's house. Do you believe? Do you believe when I say time is so brief and love is so grief and all you will ever see me do? A man you'll never understand, but baby don't leave, baby don't leave. Save me, you gotta save me, save me, you gotta save me.
Hey, NZ, what do you reckon? That looked like a tie to me, but I want to get your eyes on it as well. Let's have another look.
Hey, I'm sorry, Hot Car Track. That is really close. And for a second there, I actually thought the traffic cone was going to take the win.
Let's go to the front angle. It's It's neck and neck right here, and the rules do state it's the wheels that hit the line first, crosses first.
You know, from the side, it looked as though there was a bumper in it. But as you said, it's the first van that has its wheels over the line, and we can't really get a good look at Variant Skunkworks. So, what do you reckon? 4 points each?
Well, NZ, I think we need to call this a dead heat. Well, there you go. What a way to finish off the heats with a dead heat. Right on the line. Congratulations to the teams going through.
Tonight, Variant Skunkworks, he joins the rank of the Come Close Club. 15 points in the Outback Cadillac, which means he's off to the semis.
And the very last van in the heats heading off to the semi-finals. The builder is Driftway Drive. The driver is Orange Man. Driving linked. Congratulations. Okay, NZ, let's wrap this program up. Let's have a look at these races.
Well, turn one's certainly living up to its reputation. Everyone got pretty loose out of there. Variant Skunkworks has hit something on the side of track there, and that spun him out. But look at Grunt coming through like an elephant on roller skates, mate. No brakes. He even takes out one of his own teammates.
An easy win there for Variant Skunkworks in the Outback Caddy. Let's look at race 2.
Well, Garage Boys had a strategy of blocking in turn 1. It's paid off. Poor old Variant Skunkworks, he come in second, but good to see the other two come across the finish line as well.
Scrappy racing by everyone, but they all did get across the line, so that's a bonus for all of them. Race 3, how do you see this, NZ?
You know, I don't think Grunt's running on all cylinders here. He's let Variant Skunkworks through, but then he's blocked his own teammates. He's even pushed Garage Boys down into the garage area, which does actually make sense if you're Grunt.
Fun bit of racing tonight, and there goes Grunt just crawling across the line.
Right, that's it. No more heats. It's off to the semis. So I hope you've all chosen a favourite or two to follow all the way to the end. Driftway Drive, you came with 3. One's gone through. Bit of a shame Grunt and the Garage Boys didn't make it, but hey, it was really entertaining tonight. Thank you.
Hey, NZ, what are you up to now?
No, that's pretty much me done for the night there. Hot car track, just got the contractors cleaning up in preparation for the semis, and then yeah, done. Lock up, close up, and get out of here.
I've just had word everyone's gathering at the Inferno nightclub. Do you fancy going up for a couple of coldies?
Now you're talking. Sounds like a good idea. Beer o'clock. Let's go.
Okay then, sounds like a good plan, Stan. Let's just lock up here and let's get going. Hey, NZ, who's your top pick heading into the semis and maybe into the finals?
Oh, mate, nothing like put me on the spot. 40-odd vans going through the semis and then the finals. So, well, obviously I'm going to choose my own team, NZ Racing, with Cade and the Mini. There's a winner. But, you know, in the finals, I'm going to go Golden Hour Racing. Grey Wizard. What was he? Heat 20, I think. That guy was smooth. He didn't win every race, but it looked really good, really stable. And so there you go. Grey Wizard. That's my pick.
Yeah, nice choice there, mate. Great builder and an excellent-looking van.
Yeah, righto. Okay, so who do you think's going to make it all the way?
Look, I'm going to back a Blackfires van. I've seen these race on the track many times, both from Road Warriors and in particular Vantastic, and I just can't help but think with the amount of traffic, you know, a van that has Blackfires just might get through.
Yeah, you know, fair enough. You've got a point there. You know, the Blackfire tyres, that's what they're designed to do. They're designed for handling, and it has shown, and they've proven themselves. However, how many times have you seen a non-Blackfire tyres, like a naked tyre, lack of a better word, get from the start gate to turn 1 well out in front? Yeah, get them around turn 1 down second straight, and boom, race over. They're going to take it. They come to the finals, Blackfire tyres versus naked tyres. That's a hard call, but I'm going to say non-Blackfires, mate. We'll see how we go.
Yeah, good valid points there, mate, and I guess we'll find out in the semis who's going to be heading off to that lucrative spot in the finals. All right, I'm out of here. I'll see you up at the Inferno nightclub. Catch you later.